Nestled in the heart of Doha, Souq Waqif is a vibrant marketplace that seamlessly blends Qatar's rich history with modern-day charm. Translating to standing market in Arabic, this centuries-old Souq is a cultural and commercial hub where locals and tourists alike can experience traditional Qatari life. From narrow alleyways filled with the scent of exotic spices to lively courtyards, where merchants sell everything from handmade crafts to falcons, Souq Waqif is more than just a shopping destination. It's a journey through time. Today we will talk about inside Souq Waqif, a tour of Doha's historic marketplace. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. A glimpse into history. Souq Waqif's origins date back over a century, when it was a simple marketplace for Bedouins and traders to exchange goods such as livestock, dates, and spices. Over time, it evolved into a bustling commercial center. However, in the 1990s, much of the original Souq was damaged due to modernization efforts. Recognizing its cultural significance, the Qatari government launched a massive restoration project in 2006, reviving the Souq to reflect its traditional architectural style. Today, Souq Waqif stands as a living testament to Qatar's heritage, preserving the aesthetics of the past while catering to contemporary tastes. Exploring the Souq, what to see and do. A visit to Souq Waqif is an immersive sensory experience where the sounds of bustling crowds, the aroma of local delicacies, and the sights of traditional Qatari craftsmanship come together in a spectacular display. Let's explore some of its highlights. 1. The main shopping streets, a treasure trove of goods. Souq Waqif is a paradise for shoppers looking for authentic Qatari products and unique souvenirs. Each section of the market specializes in different goods. Spice market. Walk through narrow alleys lined with sacks of saffron, cardamom, cinnamon, dried lemons, and sumac, a feast for the senses. Textiles and handicrafts. Discover stalls selling traditional abayas, pashminas, carpets, and embroidered fabrics. Artisans craft these pieces using age-old techniques. Gold and jewelry. Souq Waqif is home to dazzling gold jewelry shops, where exquisite Arabian designs meet modern craftsmanship. Perfume and oud. The scent of oud, agarwood, musk, and rosewater lingers in the air, with shops offering custom-blended perfumes that capture the essence of the Middle East. Pottery and antiques. Browse through stalls displaying handmade ceramics, lanterns, and antique treasures that reflect Qatar's rich history. 2. The Falcon Souq, a unique cultural experience. One of the most fascinating areas within Souq Waqif is the Falcon Souq, where you can witness Qatar's deep-rooted tradition of falconry. Falcons, considered symbols of status and heritage, are sold here for thousands of dollars. You can visit falcon shops, see these majestic birds up close, and even step inside a falcon hospital to learn about their care. 3. The Camel Pen, a rare sight in the city. Just a short walk from the Falcon Souq, you'll find the Camel Pen, where visitors can observe camels resting before they are transported to farms or races. It's a great spot for photography and a glimpse into Qatar's nomadic past. 4. Art and culture. Souq Waqif Art Center. For art enthusiasts, the Souq Waqif Art Center is a hidden gem, featuring exhibitions by local and international artists. It also hosts art workshops, calligraphy classes, and live painting sessions, making it an inspiring place for creativity. 5. Entertainment and street performances. Souq Waqif often comes alive with traditional music performances, street artists, and cultural festivals. During events such as Eid celebrations and National Day, the Souq hosts processions, horse parades, and folkloric dances that provide a glimpse into Qatari traditions. Culinary delights, where to eat in Souq Waqif. Food is an integral part of the Souq Waqif experience. The Souq boasts a diverse selection of local and international restaurants, catering to every palate. Must-try Qatari dishes. Makbouz, a fragrant spiced rice dish with meat or seafood. Matruba, a slow-cooked rice porridge perfect for comfort food lovers. Lukaimet, sweet fried dumplings drizzled with date syrup. Popular restaurants and cafes. Al Terrace Al Merka Boutique Hotel serves authentic Qatari and Lebanese cuisine in a beautiful setting. Parisa Persian Restaurant, a stunningly decorated Persian restaurant with intricate mirror work. Chez Al Shumos, a traditional Qatari eatery known for homemade breakfast dishes. The Village offers a variety of Middle Eastern, Indian, and international dishes. Damascus One, a Syrian restaurant known for its lively atmosphere and delicious grilled meats. For those who love street food, Souq Waqif has numerous stalls selling freshly grilled kebabs, shawarma, and karak chai, spiced tea, a local favorite. Best time to visit Souq Waqif. The best time to visit Souq Waqif is during the evening, when the marketplace is at its most vibrant. As the sun sets, the Souq lights up, creating a magical ambience with its traditional lanterns and lively crowds. Cooler months, October to April, are ideal for exploring the Souq comfortably, as summers in Doha can be quite hot. Tips for visiting Souq Waqif: wear comfortable clothing. While Qatar has a relaxed dress code, it's respectful to wear modest attire when visiting the Souq. Bargain wisely. Negotiation is part of the experience, especially when buying souvenirs and handicrafts. Cash or card? Most vendors accept cards, but it's good to carry some cash for smaller purchases. Photography etiquette: always ask for permission before taking photos of people, especially vendors and shopkeepers. Explore beyond the main streets. Some of the best treasures are found in the hidden alleyways of the Souq. A timeless experience. Souq Waqif is more than just a marketplace, it's the soul of Doha, where history, culture, and commerce intertwine. Whether you're looking for unique souvenirs, indulging in authentic Qatari cuisine, or simply soaking in the lively atmosphere, a visit to Souq Waqif offers an unforgettable experience. As Doha continues to evolve into a futuristic metropolis, Souq Waqif remains a cherished link to the past, preserving the traditions and heritage that define Qatar's identity. So if you ever find yourself in Doha, don't miss the chance to wander through its bustling alleys, discover hidden treasures, and experience the authentic charm of Souq Waqif. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.